Hi, friends. I'm Ruth Liebel from Ruth Liebel Financial Coaching.
And I'm Holly Tharp with the Right Way to Organize, and we're teaming up for something really fun this Christmas.
We're collaborating for a 4-hour home organization giveaway. Holly is a professional organizer. She does fantastic work, and I'm the sponsor.
And that's the thing, if your home is a disaster, usually your finances are too, and your brain is too. It all links together. So it's going to be including Salt Lake and Utah County, someone who needs a little help at this Christmas time to make their holidays go a little bit smoother.
Holly's going to come in and give them peace. It can be somebody who's struggling financially, or it could be somebody who's struggling with time and energy because the plates are busy. It doesn't matter, but somebody who could use a space or two in their home, a place where they gather, where they want to gather with loved ones, and have that place just be calm and organized and allowed to be cozy, where they can just connect and love on their people without crap everywhere or just guilt that there are things that they need to do, just that space where they don't have to think about how busy they should be and are.
Right. So what this is what we're going to do. You're going to nominate someone. We're going to have a form that you can fill out. You're going to nominate your friend, your mom, your mother-in-law, your neighbor, whoever it is that you feel like could really use this in their life. And then we're going to go through all the nominations. We're going to choose a few projects that we could help. We want to do more than just one. So keep nominating. We'll do some before and afters, and that can help you kind of see where you began and where we finished.
And it will just share the Christmas spirit. We want to get this like whole Merry Christmas spirit to be as connecting and as involved with the most people that we can. So the deadline for your nominations is this Sunday, December the 14th at 9 p.m. Mountain Time. We need to get the nominations in so we can decide the projects and get the projects on Holly's schedule so that our promise can come through. So again, the nominees need to live in Utah or Utah County,
It's
between
fine.
Utah County and Salt Lake County. Sorry.
Oh yeah,
So if you have somebody in mind, you have until Sunday night to do it. The sooner the better, because as we get people in and we're like, we're excited to do that project, we'll get started. You
yeah,
will be
we're not going to wait.
yeah, you will be the frame of contact as the nominator because we decided if we got an email that was like, you've been selected, I know I would immediately delete it and be like, I didn't even enter. I don't know what you're talking about, spam. So you will be the point of contact. You can decide if you want to turn it into a big like surprise with the whole reveal, like you were just getting the person out of the house, or if you just want to be the one to surprise your friend with the, hey, by the way, I'm gifting you this. This is what you need to do to get on the schedule. We'll let you handle that how you want to.
This is so exciting. I am so excited about this. I'm
This is
really
going to
hoping
be
that we get some.
really fun. Yes,
Yeah, it's
we're
going to be
excited about
great.
this.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so just you might be having some questions really quick. Some of the questions that we thought of that you might have is how much can Holly get done in 4 hours?
You would be surprised. I'm pretty quick. Let's see. Let's talk about maybe like your family room, living room. We don't know what the difference is, but that space sometimes just gets overloaded with things, and I can probably do that in less than 2 hours, I would say. I would, I mean, I think 1 hour is probably a good. Pantries, usually a couple of hours. Kitchens are more between 3 and 4, depending on, going through every drawer, every cupboard, going through all the things.
I'm thinking
And
maybe if somebody is like, people are coming and I need to turn this space into a place where I can put down an air mattress, or I would like to make this
oh
space where I could
yes,
get a Murphy bed in, or something like that. So
yeah,
we're not going to promise space completion. We're going to promise time. And again, Holly is awesome and she's dedicated. So if you're like, I want you to do my kitchen, my living room, and my guest bathroom, do the level that you can do in 4 hours. Holly can manage that, right? Can you manage that?
yes. Oh yes, for
Or if
sure.
you
That would
say
be
just kill the
easy
kitchen,
breezy.
she'll do that.
Yeah, yes. That's like easy breezy.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So any space, even if it's like my friend is usually organized here, but it's this office. Her office has just gone off
Yes.
the rails. Or her
Yeah.
son moved out. it started, went to college, or her daughter went to college, and now that room needs to be turned to a guest bedroom, but it has all of the kids' stuff, and
All
she
the
hasn't
kids'
had the
stuff.
space to
Yep.
unenshrine that bedroom. Like whatever it
Yep.
is, the sky's the limit, but the time is also limited, 4 hours, but Holly can do a lot in the
Yep.
4 hours. Okay, so
Yep.
another question is, Holly, do you declutter? And if you do, what happens to the stuff?
All right. I declutter, and I mean, most of my clients are to the point where they're like, just get rid of it. I don't care. But I don't love just throwing things away. I am more about donating things. And I am happy to take them for you because I don't want them to be sitting in a bag in the trunk of your car for months because you just forget it's in there. So I am happy once we're done to take all of it, and I will take it and donate it so that you don't have to worry about it.
Mhm. Or you
But
can put it in a
also,
box.
if you're
Yeah.
not ready to, yeah, if you're not ready to get rid of it, that's totally fine. There's no pressure. I have cried over a few things that people thought I should get rid of. And so I'm not a fan of getting rid of things that I don't want to get rid of. So I totally understand that.
Okay. So you'll follow their direction.
Yep, totally.
Essentially. Okay. Okay. What about like, what do you do as far as staging or designing or homing frames? Or is it the organization is the beautiful part?
Yeah, the organization is like, I mean, if you have a picture and you were like, oh, where should I put this? I could probably be like, oh, it would be really great on this wall. But that is not my main, you know, that's not my main job. I don't, it's more just about getting your things organized because once you have the space, then you can look and be like, okay, this is where things should go now that I have the space and it's clean and organized. So,
Okay, fantastic. All right. So as we're talking, if you're like, ooh, this friend, this mother, this sister, like get her nominated now. Again, the deadline is Sunday, December 14th at 9 p.m. We will contact you if your project has been nominated. We are nominating more than one. So get it in
yeah,
sooner. Let's get this project, spread the word. If you are seeing this link and you're like, I love this idea, please share this post. Let's get this word
please
out.
share.
We
Yeah.
want this to be a very, very fun. We want people to feel this Christmas spirit and get excited about this. And then we'll share
Yes.
the befores and after, like once we get everything, created so you can watch the our
Yep.
social medias for the fun before and afters and get the stories and see the changes and get us in a big boost for New Year's, which most of us are ready to work on our money or work
Yeah.
on our
Yes.
organization. And this can be a fun kickstart into
Yes.
getting that energy so that it will just be
Yes.
this huge synergistic
Yeah.
like gift that keeps giving. Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
And we're
Let's get your
excited to
stuff
give.
nominated.
So please, please, please nominate your people because we're excited to do it.
Let's do it. Okay.